Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Indo Travel. So if you are new in my channel, then subscribe, share, like and hit the bell icon to get latest videos uploaded in my channel. Today I will show you Bhubaneswar, capital city of Odisha. Let's go guys. This is Rajmahal Square Chowk. The bridge you can see here having four ways road. This road is towards airport, Bhubaneswar airport, and another roads are connected to Puri via Kalpana Square, and number 1, number 2 market building is famous for everything commodities you can get there. Number 1, number 2 market. So this is Bhubaneswar, capital city of Odisha, and we are heading towards Master Canteen. The railway station, Bhubaneswar railway station. They are having also another road connected to Rajmahal Square is Master Canteen, or you can say Bhubaneswar railway station, and in between this particular place name is Ashok Nagar. Bhubaneswar city is also known as sports capital of India. You know, many world championship, hockey championship, world hockey championship, and athletics, world class athletics championship is also played here at Bhubaneswar, capital city of Odisha. We are very much closer to Bhubaneswar railway station or Master Canteens. In the right side, the railway station of Bhubaneswar is falling, and just ahead of the railway station they are having a circle square. This is, guys, in the right side, this is Bhubaneswar railway station, and see, I love Bhubaneswar is written just in front of the railway station. So much beautification is done by the Odisha government. So many buildings and roads also look like fine. Bhubaneswar is also known as, guys, smartest city of India. This city crowned as number 1 smart city of India in the year 2016, and in the year 2017 this is the only city from India who ranked within the 20 world class smart city list. So Bhubaneswar have gained so much reputations and fames also. You will find bio toilets, sanitation, and selling of cow dungs by recycling it to use for the plants, whether in your homes, in your offices. So every corner and every place of Bhubaneswar, they are having world class facilities is available. Internet facility also everywhere in Bhubaneswar, and city buses, the autos, every corner and every place you can get. If you going to somewhere within Bhubaneswar or Puri or Kotak, Puri is also, guys, another 2 more famous cities in Odisha, and so many facilities is here. And this is the secretariat, or you can say legislative assembly of Odisha. In the left side, the white building, this is the side view of Odisha's legislative assembly house or secretariat. That's why this city Bhubaneswar had placed within the top 20 world class smart city list in the year 2017. Visit this place, Bhubaneswar, and this city is also known as, guys, temple city of India. Bhubaneswar, you will get more than 100 temples. Only the one city where you will get too many temples. And if you go 60 kilometers from this place Bhubaneswar to the Puri, Puri is also famous for Jagannath temple. There are also too many temples you will get in Puri, and among all the temples The only famous temple is Jagannath temple, and which you all are known. I mean, Rath Yatra is famous for Lord Jagannath, the Lord of Kali Yuga, according to Hindus. See this, though in front of us right now is Surya Dwar. They are having a military camp inside it, Indian military, and roads are fine, so that this city has gained smart city of India start in the year 2016 in number 1 position, and we are heading towards Kalinga Stadium. Too many shops are there on the both side of the road, and some boarding advertisement you can see, and apartments, big apartments, shopping malls. Look at guys, the ahead footpath bridge is to cross one side to another, and after that you can enter Kalinga Stadium. This is the bridge through which you can enter Kalinga Stadium. When you are moving towards Joydev Vihar from Governor House Chowk, the Kalinga Stadium will fall in the left side. This is the Kalinga Stadium where many world championships, hockey, athletics has been played. And this is the boundary of Kalinga Stadium. This is also another gate. See the floodlights for night matches here at Kalinga Stadium. Overall, everything is well maintained and pre-planned, designed by the Odisha government. 7 number gate of Kalinga Stadium. So this is the end of the Kalinga Stadium. See the colorful paintings that has been drawn on the wall by the professional painters. I mean, looks so nice, attracting. And there the bridge, Joydev Vihar over bridge. This is the bridge guys. If you go towards left side, then you will go towards Andhra Pradesh through Barampur, and if you go towards in the right side, you will go to Kotak, one of the main city in Odisha. So I will show you the straight direction which is going towards Nandankanan Zoo. Nandankanan Zoo is also one of the main tourist spot in Odisha, where many travelers are coming to that place to see the creatures, I mean different species. This is the bridge after crossing Joydev Vihar, and they are having, you can see, mall. So everything you will get in this city, Bhubaneswar. Roads are looks like fine. Some plantation has been done in the middle of the road by the Odisha government. The designing is so much attractive. Come to this place and discover. And this is the way to go towards Mayfair Hotel, one of the best hotel in Odisha. And there also you can see another hotel called Swasti Plaza. It looks like nice, better. You can stay here and explore Bhubaneswar. So this is the Swasti Plaza Hotel. If you really want to explore Bhubaneswar, then come to this place, visit all the temples, indulgence the taste of Odia foods, mixing with the local people, participate in social works, and try to know, explore the tradition and culture of Odia people. Visit the World Heritage Sites declared by the UNESCO here in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and explore their folk dances like Odissi dance, one of the classical dance among 8 classical dances of India. Here some ancient age caves are also available. Go there and explore those caves that are made from the ancient age and the Kalinga architecture that are crafted on the ancient age monuments. So too much opportunities are available to explore about Bhubaneswar, such a beautiful city and also known as capital city of Odisha. Odisha is one of the state in the east coast line of India. Guys, I have given my another channel link ID in my description section. Go there, subscribe, share, like and hit the bell icon to that channel, and some useful videos I have also given. Don't forget, check out those videos. I will show you more tourist spot places in Odisha in my upcoming videos. So subscribe my channel, share so that you can get the videos fast. This is all about Bhubaneswar, capital city of Odisha. You can call Bhubaneswar by different names. You can call smartest city, temple city and sports capital of India. See you, bye bye till the next video uploaded, and many thanks who have subscribed my channel and those who have not subscribed my channel also. Thank you.